Miss Universe 2015.
Kami ko ni po ang bana to ang ligan sila bisag na sa dalaga. Kami ko ni po
From Miss Universe 2016 collection. If she wins, she'll be on the cover of the brand's next catalog. That is awesome.
pumunta yan siya sa Ilalanin na lang
However, love is a competition at the top of her game. She told us she feels extra pleasure to win because the reigning Miss Universe is from her country.
ay, katong sinukuan. Payatot. Payatot na babae. Payatot. Oo, kataga-ilo-ilo to. Best friend ka na sila.
I'm so glad Mexico is here, and she didn't learn how to walk in heels until she was 22. But you never guess about watching her rock those Chinese.
Mami, huwag ka mainga. Nag-video kami. Video kami sa Facebook. Pag kayo na ano, nakita siya
That's just my cousin.
yun. Naintindihan mo na?
Sorry ah. Serious, wala lang yung Uy, good night.
It's more of a, you know, like a
Sinawag
squad.
ng Philippines na
She's a contestant who runs with
Eh,
time.
may kakampi ako. Pinagpira kami kami.
Ayaw ko na papa.
Anto ka na niya.
Eh, kaya ko.
Ay, nabidyan mo na. Pati yung kaya, Miss Philippines.